Bharat, tell me a story of thirsty dog.
There is a crow. He is in the jungle. He flies here and there in the sky. He sings songs and becomes happy. This is his routines of all time. One day he is thirsty. He is sitting in on the tree and he want to drink water, but he can't get water. He flies from one place to another place for searching water, but he can't get water. He's worried without water. He's crying now without water, and his mouth is very dry, and his throat is burning without water. He is worried, and after some time one idea in comes in his mind, and he thinks there is much better to try than sitting ideal. He now decides flies in one direction for searching water, and now he flies in one direction for 2 hours continuously. uh, he sees he sees a small garden. He sees small garden below and wonderful there. He comes down and wonderful there he finds, and he sees a small jug of water there. He peeps into the jug and he sees some water at the bottom of the jug, and he tried to drink it, but he cannot drink the water because the opening of the jug is very narrow. And again he is worried, but now he does not get disappointed. He try to think and drink water, and one idea flashes in his mind. He follow his idea and he finds something. He finds some small stones or pebbles, and one by one drops into the jug, and water comes up into the jug, and sometime water comes up and he can drink easily water, his thirst, and he flies away and becomes happy. Moral of the story is there is a will and there is a way.